Hey everyone, I have a little problem here. One of my in-laws went on a vacation. She came over, dropped the bird off, said feed him once a day, change the water once a day. But didn't tell me nothing else. As you can see, they left it all dirty. I don't know nothing about birds, and I need some help. I mean, when it chirps, does it want attention or is it hungry? I don't know too much about it. I was hoping somebody out there helped me. That's what they did. Dropped it off. I didn't get a chance to ask them nothing. They just dropped it off and went off. I don't know too much about it. What should I do every day? How many times should I feed them? What is that thing right there? I don't even know what that thing is. I don't know if y'all can see it. It look like it's bathroom to me. I ain't know what to do, so I let them chill right beside the fish. Let's see if we can keep calm that way, because he chirps. Chirping. Some people out there might know why is he chirping? Do he need something? Is he hungry? That's why I want to know if anybody out there can help me with this. At night you don't chirp though. It's quiet at night. There you go. I don't know if he wants anything or what. If you can give me some comments below, I appreciate it. How to care for this bird. I don't want anything happening to him. Real cool looking bird though. Little small bird. Y'all can help me out with anything. I appreciate it. He's like yellow and greenish. Real cool looking bird. Yeah, man, they just dropped the bird off and went straight out. Thanks. Anything be helpful. Anybody that knows anything about these birds, I'm gonna let them chill with the fish right now. Alright.